Watch out for poison oak and ivy and everything else. Snakes. See that little camping spot up there where the rails are and all that. It's a pretty cool little area off the 10 highway. So you got Highway 10 Tahlequah. Yep, we're looking for places we can hang out during the day. And a little tailgate barbecue. Look at all that. That is so cool. Little islands and stuff here and there. There you go, guys. Water's pretty clear too. Over by us we have the Hudson, and it's green. Can't see in it. Looks like Disneyland's water in their park, wild animal park portion, and over by Tom Sawyer. And this is kind of greenish, but you can still see the bottom. And over here, they'll take you up the road about 10 miles and drop you off and just float all the way down this river. Here's a service. Got a service. A service. The gentleman's putting the raft in the water. And these guys are gonna go cruise down it. How far do you guys go? 6 miles. Okay. All right, brother man, I got you on video right now. If you're okay with that?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, my name is Jeff. What's your name?
TJ.
TJ, how you doing?
Yep, nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Sorry about that. Real quick. Sorry, guys, dropped my glasses. All right, TJ, tell us about Arrowhead Resort and all that.
We just float people down the river and come see us Monday through Sunday.
Okay, and
So
what do you guys?
We shuttle people upstream, some rafts, and then let them float on down back to Arrowhead.
And we're out where?
Yep, Highway 10.
Highway 10,
Yep,
Tahlequah,
Oklahoma.
Tahlequah, Oklahoma. Let's see here. It's not too far from.
We're up here at Round Hollow right now.
Round Hollow.
Yep, Round Hollow.
Okay, cool deal. So how much does this service cost?
We do $27 a raft, and right here it's on the short trip, and I think our long trip's 30 bucks. So we got 6 mile right here, and we got 12 mile.
There you go.
Yep.
We're gonna do that, man. Right on,
12
brother.
miles, good one to do.
Yeah, we're gonna hook up with you guys, man. You got a
Come on
card?
down. We're about 4 miles downstream.
Okay. All right, man. Sounds great.
Come on down and see us.
All right, man. Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too, bro. There you go, folks. That's nice. That's nice. All right. So, anyways, this is cool. A lot to see. When I first came out here, we were looking at a house out in Tahlequah, and it took about almost 18 minutes to actually get to the house from off the 10 road. But the Illinois River was right in the backyard after somebody else's 5-acre property. But it would have been nice to do it, but it just wasn't the right type of home. We bought out in Pryor, much nicer, more for cattle, ranching type of for goats, chickens, pigs, sheep galore. Now you look at Arrowhead, and what was it? I forget the name of the place now, but it's on the guy's shirt. Rewind this here and look at it. The phone number and all the information was on his shirt. This is the kind of fun that everybody should be doing, man. Get away from the COVID in California. Have a good day. God bless.